Look at this. Going hard. I know it.
And that's why you should hire a professional roofing contractor. Today, I'm here just to talk to you about impact rated shingles. There's a lot of misinformation out there, and a lot of homeowners we're finding when we come inspect their roofs, they tell us, hey, I have an impact rated shingle, it should be fine. And what we're finding is they actually don't have an impact rated shingle. Underwriter Laboratories does testing on shingles and products. They get that certification or that class, which is called Class 4 impact rated. And that means it's going to handle 2-inch hail, which is a little bigger than a golf ball. And that's going to help your roof last longer through all these hailstorms, but also get you an insurance discount, which for a lot of people might be over $1,000 a year. And right now we are doing a complimentary upgrade to Class 4. And so reach out to us. If you're not sure you have a Class 4 or impact rated roof or what kind of shingle you have, we can actually do an inspection and find out. So reach out to us. We'll do a free evaluation of your roof, of your home.